People like you, Jesse, and me. Why don't you what? We should go ahead and start cooking again. Say we're not. There's no denying the popularity of our product. There's a market for it. Currently, no one fills it. Obviously, Jesse and I have the manufacturer covered.